Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Sub-Zero. We are in the Type R, and damn, it is nice in here. We're on our way to auto tune. Got a whole bunch of stuff prepared for you guys today. We got the splitter and a bunch of things. Got some Varus parts, got some Mugen parts, and a lot of Type R stuff and content and installs today. Man, I just want to say I thank all of you guys for the support, for watching my channel, for being excited for this build, and man, I'm so excited to bring you guys some awesome stuff. Anyway, guys, we're about to be on our way. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a great video, guys. Let's get it. Peace.
Yeah, this mess is from Jeff's car, so.
Oh no,
So we had to disassemble. Remember? See how look at these clips.
Oh, that's all of them?
That's all the clips. That's just for the underpaint.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
So
man, look at this beauty right here. Look at this beauty.
we got to get everything off and then.
Yeah, I really like the headlights on this car though.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, I really like the headlights.
All right.
That's it.
Get some hardware.
all the hardware.
They're good about giving extra in case something happens.
Yeah.
Powder coated brackets.
That's nice.
Yeah. I'm a big fan
instead of just like, you know, regular. It's nice that they powder coat on black like that.
Yeah. We definitely are a fan of the BattleAero CTR splitter.
Oh yeah, perfect.
This is the BattleAero bracket, and because we've installed a lot of other ones as well, we do like this one. It's not labeled as technically quick release, but some of the other ones you have to remove the bumper, etc. to still remove the splitter. This one you don't. You just have to raise the front of the car, obviously, and there's looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 bolts that you would just remove, and then the splitter board comes off. The bracket will stay, of course, but that way you can always put it back on.
Wow, that's so convenient. I really like that you can just kind of jack it up and then release it underneath instead of having to worry about taking off the front bumper. It looks really good. Like you said, how they powder coated it and got it to fit like perfectly to the. I like how it fits.
Yeah.
Like you could tell that they really made this just for this.
Yep.
This car. It's not like a universal type of thing. So looks really good, guys. Really good. Yeah, no, it looks good. Okay, so now you gotta bolt washers and just connect make a little puzzle and put them all together.
Yeah.
So we got the splitter on. Again, this is the BattleAero chassis splitter. AutoTune's doing an amazing job with the install. Really clean. Like I said, I like how they powder coated this and fit it perfectly. And this is in there. Solid material. It's gonna be nice. Let's see how it flows. Let's see here. JDM without yellow fog lights, you know what I mean? Like, oh, look at this, y'all. Yellow fogs and the chassis splitter. Look at this. Came out so good. So good. And we took off the plate, obviously. Beefy. The yellow. Yellow looks so good. And with that bezel, see, I like this. It's way better. I like that. Shout out to AutoTune, guys. The whole shop, everybody here has just been doing an amazing job with just everything, man. All the installs, they've been taking care of it. They've been doing so well. They've been very accommodating. And they do a good job of taking their time, but also just the quality of what they do. Just even the small things that they do, the small things really are pretty fantastic. So definitely, guys, hit up AutoTune if you need any type of work, man. Anything. Literally, go ahead and hit them up. Man, this came out so good. All right, y'all. So we got the BattleAero chassis mount splitter on, and we also got the yellow fog light bezels. Man, this looks so good, y'all. Like, this is insane. Absolutely insane. And this is chassis, so you can stand on it, bounce on it. We got a legit, authentic, and fully functional chassis mount splitter, guys. And the yellow fog lights look so sick on the car. We got so many awesome things coming. We got the Vera side skirts coming. We got the Mugen rear lights coming. And just, man, look how aggressive this car looks, man. Like, this front is crazy. This car is fantastic. I'm really not sure if the color is really popping out the way it really should on camera, but this car is so aggressive. The color is fantastic. I love the color. That gray, it's very awesome. It's very pristine, very nice, very clean. And just now with the car, it looks super aggressive. You know what? I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you guys for all the support you guys have been giving me on this vehicle. Thanks for all the support on just following my content. And we got some crazy amazing things coming for this car, for the Corvette, and for the channel. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you follow the trend, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Everybody have a great day, a blessed day. Let's get it, y'all. Peace.